Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall talk about a topic, the exam content outline or ECO. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So it is very necessary to review the exam content outline on the pmi.org website, so that you have a visibility that what is the outline, what is the boundaries of the work or the content which you should have to study and prepare accordingly. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, I have downloaded the examination content outline for PMP from the pmi.org, and we shall just review this guideline in detail today. So first of all, friend, what is the purpose of examination content outline or ECO? Basically, friend, this defines the deliverables, this defines the content outline according to which you must have to prepare if you are planning to give exam of PMP. So first of all, we move towards in detail. So if you see there, first of all, the exam content outline is based on three sections. First section is the people section. If you see, this is of 42% of the PMP exam. Then the process domain is of 50% and the business environment domain is of 8%. So you can see from here, the process is the biggest one, and then the people management is the 42%, the second one. So you must have to prepare according to this distribution, and you can notice the business environment is only of 8% of the PMP exam. Domain means the knowledge areas here. Then there are basically three things: domain, task and enablers. Domain means that basically it is the knowledge area in the PMP. Task is basically the task area, that the underlying responsibilities of the project manager. Enabler means illustrate example of work associated with the task actually. So these are the three terms which are very common and which you must have to know. Now if we talk about people is of 42%. First is the task, the manage conflict. That means conflict, disputes between different team members, different with the customer. You should be able to manage that. Then leading a team means that leading a team towards some vision, so towards some project completion. Support team performance. Then empower team members and stakeholders. It is very important that team must have realized that you are supporting them, you are empowering them. Then ensure a team member stakeholder adequately trained. Training is also very important. Building a team means that team should collaborate with each other, and it becomes a team. It gels up with each other according. Address and remove the impediments, obstacles, showstoppers, blockers when team is working. Negotiate project agreements. So negotiation skills are very important. Collaborate with the stakeholders. Build shared understandings. Engage and support virtual teams. Nowadays, friend, virtual teams are also very important. We all knows that the freelancing work or outsourcing work is very important. So virtual teams generally means that geographically they are dispersed, like one team member sitting in Pakistan, one is sitting in USA, one is sitting in Canada, and the time zones are also very different. So virtual team management is also very important. Define a team ground rules at which they must have to work. Then monitor relevant stakeholders. Promote team performance through application of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means that using the emotions intelligently. Then process is of 50%. It contains of execute project with urgency required to deliver business value. Then communication, and then risk, stakeholder management, and plan and manage budget resourcing. Plan and manage the schedule, plan and manage quality, scope, project planning activities, manage project changes, plan and manage procurement, Manage project artifacts. Artifacts means the documents like scope document, risk management plan, project management plan. So all these are the artifacts. Determine appropriate the project methodology, like you will use the waterfall method, agile method, scrum, kanban, whatever the method you will use, you have to define it properly. Establish project governance structure, project issues, ensure knowledge transfer, plan and manage project and closure of or transitions, like this is the last phase of the project. Then business environment, it is of 8%. You can notice here it is focused on the project compliance. Project compliance means any rules and regulation defined by your regulatory authority, it should have to be compliant. Evaluate and deliver project benefit and value. Evaluate and address external business environment changes for impact on the scope organizational changes. So this is overall 3 sections which you must have to find. Then friend, PMP application and payment methodology is there, that if you are having a skilled diploma, if you have a school diploma and you have a minimum 5 years project management experience, then you are eligible for PMP exam. Or you have a 4-year bachelor degree or a 3 years project management experience, still you are eligible. Or you have having a bachelor degree or graduate degree or a postgraduate master degree, and you have the 2 years of experience, project management experience, still you are, so that you are also eligible for the PMP application, PMP exam. You can go for it. Then you have to show your project management experience. Here is the very simple example. For example, project 1 was from January to April, then project 2 was February to June. So January to June you will calculate it as a 6 months. Okay, so these are the approach through which you can calculate your project management experience, because when you are filling the form you must have to mention this experience and as well. Also you need a contract hours training, project management training of 35 contract hours. Project management training is also mentioned. It is compulsory. You must have to mention it when you are filling the PMP exam application. Then friend, when you are filling the PMP application, you must have to mention that from which institute you have gotten the training, and you mention it appropriately there. PMP application and the certification fees, you have to fill it, you have to provide it through the from the credit card or debit card. You have to provide the application fee. PMP examination information is there. For example, the exam consists of 180 questions, okay, and the exam 5 questions are pre-test. So pre-test means that it is not calculated, it will not impact your exam outcome. Like total questions are 175 questions which will be counted, okay, out of 180 questions. 5 questions are not counted, and the allotted time for the exam is 230 minutes. In case you are not if you unfortunately you not pass the exam, so you have 3 attempts to pass the exam within 1 year. Okay, so this is the criteria defined by PMI for the PMP exam. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. We have just reviewed the exam content outline for PMP in a short form and easy to understand way. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.